My name is Guy Shepard with Shepard Automotive in Oklahoma City. Topping Google has meant the world to our business. I'm so thankful for Thrive and all the work that they did to get us to the top. We are usually top 1, 2, or 3 search results in our industry. This process took about 18 to 24 months, and it is well worth all the work. We are so thankful to be here. It means really everything to our business right now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Steven. I lead the team at Mod Scenes. We are a company that does church stage backdrops. Abby and the team at Thrive in about 4 months have helped us to get to #1 on Google for our keyword, which is awesome. It's been a huge help to us. It's helped us to get in touch with a lot of churches who are looking for our product and have a need, and we're able to serve them. It's been really great for our business. It's helped us to grow and to serve more people.
Hey, this is Marty Grisham with Advanced Commercial Systems, home of the Roof Nerds. I'm here at Thrive 15 where I work with my business coach Jason, and I work with the whole team, Clay Clark and the whole team here. I just wanted to share real quickly of how Thrive 15 has done such a great job getting my business, Advanced Commercial Systems, on the first page, at the top of the page in the Google searching for my commercial roofing company. And so it's affected me where I'm getting big, strong leads. I'm getting phone calls every week from the online marketing that they built for me. And so I just want to give a big shout out to Jason, Clay, and the whole team.
My name is Amy Baltimore, and I am a CPA in Covington, Tennessee. I've been working with the Thrive team now for about a year. One of the first things that they did was to update my website and my search engine optimization. I prior had a website, but I was not being found on Google, and all of my new business was coming through referrals from friends, family, etc. And right away I started to see results. People were calling and coming in saying that they found me on Google. They just Googled CPA near me, and there I was at the top of the page, and they had all these Google reviews, positive reviews, and so they decided that that is where they needed to go, was to where all the attention was being focused. And so it's been a great help to my business, and Thrive 15 has been a great help to my business.
My name is Ron Curtis, and I own Curtis Music Academy in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So we are in the top of SEO in the keywords piano lessons Tulsa, Tulsa piano lessons in Tulsa, piano lessons, and we are currently working on getting in the top of Google with guitar lessons and those keywords. Yeah, the biggest impact this has made on our business is that when people are searching on Google, they'll come straight to our website and fill out a form to sign up for their first $1 lesson. And so actually, although we continue to advertise and reach students that way, it's really awesome that we can passively receive these students through the hard work that we've had over the past few months, and receive those students to just come in and knock on our doors, and we didn't even pay for it, so it's good. So it took about, for piano lessons, it took about 6 months to start seeing the effects of starting to top out on Google.
Yeah.
But now we're #1, so it's great.